Hello and namaskar aspirants. Welcome back. This video is the continuation of our MCQ series in which we were discussing MCQs regarding motor design and its components. Without wasting our time, let's start. Some fuel injection systems utilize port and helix metering. Which of the following statements describe a system timed for port closing? Timed for port closing means injection timing will be constant, but the injection ending can be varied. So the answer should be injection has a constant beginning. As I said that injection timing is constant at the beginning and it varies at the end. An individual injection pump is designed for variable beginning and constant ending of injection. For diesel engine operating at constant speeds, the start of injection will advances as the load increases, retard as the load increases, remain unchanged regardless of load, always occur at the top dead center. As the load increases, injection advances. So it should be the correct answer. Yes. A crankshaft whose center of gravity coincides with its center line is said to be statically balanced. The amount of fuel injected in a particular time or degree of crankshaft rotation is termed as, it's just wanting the rate of injection. It's saying that what is the rate of injection in a particular time, how much fuel is being injected. It's simple that it should be the rate of injection. The small end of the connecting rod is attached to the piston with a gudgeon pin. Gudgeon pin is also known as wrist pin or piston pin. You can have a look of gudgeon pin. Yes, this is the gudgeon pin which is inserted inside this piston assembly and it connects the connecting rod and the piston. At dead center, the center line of the connecting rod usually coincides with the center line of the cylinder. Dead centers are top dead center and bottom dead center. And when the piston is at top dead center or at the bottom dead center, they coincides with the center line of the cylinder. Connecting rods in a diesel engine are used to connect the crankshaft to the gear train. Piston to the crankshaft. Yes, you can see connecting rod. This all are the images of the connecting rod. Yes, you can see in this assembly. This is the connecting rod which is connecting the piston to the crankshaft. Movement of the pump control rack in a fuel injection system, usually using individual plunger type pumps, varies the quantity of fuel delivered. It controls the rack in the injection system controls the amount of fuel being delivered. Rack in fuel pump. It's a rack and pinion type system. Yes, you can see. This is the rack and this is the pinion. When it moves, when it is moved, it controls the effective stroke of the fuel pump, and thus it controls the amount of fuel being injected. The purpose of a heat dam used in some diesel engine cast iron pistons is to increase the distance of travel for heat from the crown to the top ring groove. Yes, it should be the answer. You can see the what is heat dam. Heat dam in piston. This is a heat dam and it increases the distance between the top ring and the crown of the piston. That's why the heat transfer is delayed, and thus it protects the piston ring. Diesel engines are classified as reciprocating internal combustion engines because they burn fuel in the chamber where its energy moves the piston back and forth. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.